Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get ChatGPT Go for absolutely free. In this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step method in order to get it. So do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until the end. Before diving into the video, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, I'm Surya Prakash from Protech Genius. Well, let's not waste any more time and let's straightly dive into the video. As you can see, I have installed the ChatGPT app from my Play Store and it has got an update. Let me just update it first. Most people, the error which they're facing is when they use a ChatGPT application in their mobile and they have an application installed, they are unable to upgrade to Go for free. So how do we solve it? Let me show it to you. First of all, open ChatGPT, and here if you have upgraded to your newest version, you will get this prompt. This prompt is the only way where we can upgrade to Go for absolutely free. If you don't click on the prompt here and you just directly click on try Go, you may not arrive at this page and you may get a prompt showing you amount of 399. But if you're lucky and you get a page like this, then if you just click on the Go, you will be prompted to confirm your card details. If you just confirm it, it will work. Well, if you're not getting this page and you're unlucky, then you don't have to worry. Just go to Google. In here, search for ChatGPT. And here you would get this prompt. Try ChatGPT for free. And when you click on it, once you log in, you would get the option to upgrade to Go for an absolutely free. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just click on the subscribe button and the like button near the subscribe button if you want more tech tutorials and step-by-step walkthroughs. Once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me Surya Prakash signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.